Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to dive into something super useful for Mac users, how to zip and unzip files. So, as you can see here, I have a folder on my desktop. Let's open it up. It's got some files inside. Now, let's say I want to zip this whole folder up. It's really easy. Just right-click on the folder. You'll see a context menu pop up. Look for the option that says Compress Folder Name. The name of your folder will be in those little quotes. Go ahead and select that. Give it a couple of seconds, and boom! A new file appears right next to your original folder. That's your zipped folder. By default, it'll have the same name as the original, but you can rename it just like any other folder on your Mac. Now you've got a zipped folder. You could even delete the original one if you wanted to save space or keep things tidy. Okay, so what if you receive a zip folder and need to unzip it? No problem. Just double-click the zip folder. That's it. Your Mac will automatically unzip the contents. Alternatively, you can right-click the zip folder and choose Open from the context menu. It does the same thing, unzips everything for you. Now you've unzipped the contents. You can open the newly created folder and access all the files inside, just like you normally would. And if you don't need the zipped folder anymore, you can go ahead and delete it. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. All links mentioned are in the description below. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy Mac tips.